Hello everybody. Today we are going to graph data. Okay, so let's look at this table that we have here. And what this table is showing us is that Amy can hike 2 miles an hour. At that speed, how far would she hike in 7 hours? So right now we have 1 hour distance is 2. Then in 2 hours it's 4. In 3 hours is 6. So if we extended this table out, 4, 5, 6, 7. We see a pattern here. So 2, 4, 6. So 4 hours would be 8. 5 hours would be 10 miles. 6 hours would be 12 miles. And 7 hours would be 14. Now we're going to take the information from this table and put it on this graph here. If you notice, our x-axis here is a time walked, so the hours, and our y-axis is the distance walked. So I'm going to mark that right on our table here. So this is our x-axis, this is our y-axis. Now let's complete the graph. So in our first column we have 1 hour and they go 2 miles, so we'll mark it right there. And in 2 hours, walked 4 miles. In 3 hours, 6 miles. In 4 hours, 8 miles. In 5 hours, 10. In 6, 12. In 7, 14. And if we wanted to, we could connect these to graph them out. Here I labeled the ordered pairs on our graph as well, but you do not need to do this on the practice today. So a table like this is another way to display our data, and it helps to show trends. Now it's your turn to try it. Good luck.